We've made the mad dash trying to get my 1931 Model A Deluxe Coupe in shape for Dominion Day for the parade that is happening in Calgary at Heritage Park. It's not going to happen, unfortunately, but I've had the guys over and we've done a lot of work on the car. So here's a little footage of the last couple of days as we've tried to get her going.
Turn this up so you get a little bit of light here. So these are the points in between here is what we're talking about.
Okay, yeah.
So you take that piece of sandpaper that you've got there, and all you do is open this up, put the sandpaper in, and pull it out once. That cleans the debris off of the points.
Okay.
This is a little point setting tool. Paul's talking about setting the points. You just open this up, slide that all the way down, and the width of this should be the width that your points are apart.
20 thousandths.
20 thousandths of an inch. So you slide that in and make sure that it slides in.
With a little bit of friction.
Yeah. We're right
They
there.
okay?
Yeah,
Right
they're
on?
right there. So
So where do you get this from?
you buy this from Snyder's.
That is.
Yeah. Just a point setting tool. And it saves having to set the timing every time, which the timing doesn't change. This is the only thing that changes. Now to adjust these, if this is close, if this is too tight, you open this screw and there's a little screw notch on the back side and you just turn it one way or the other, whichever way it needs to go open
But
or
you
close.
have to have it on the logo of the cab, don't you?
Sorry?
You have to have it on the logo
No,
of the
not
cab.
with this.
Not with that.
So unfortunately, we're not going to have it in time for Dominion Day, but we've made good progress on the car. I think we need a new muffler, and I need to adjust the clutch a little bit, which isn't too much, so I'll do that. But the guys were really fantastic today, and very grateful for them. Join a Model A club. If you haven't joined one yet, and if there's one in your area, join one.